Welcome back to Tap Tech. If you love cutting-edge cameras that pack pro-level power into a pocket-sized body, you're going to want to stick around for this one, because today we're diving deep into what could be the most talked-about compact full-frame camera of 2025, the Sony RX1R III. This isn't just another upgrade, it's Sony's bold leap back into the premium compact game. Imagine carrying a full-frame 61-megapixel powerhouse, a ZEISS 35mm lens, and an AI-driven autofocus, all in a body that slips into a jacket pocket. That's exactly what the RX1R III promises. Sony hasn't just dusted off an old line. They've re-engineered it from the ground up. Whether you're a street photographer, a travel shooter, or a pro looking for a discreet daily driver, this camera demands attention. Let's start with what's under the hood. The heart of RX1R III is a back-illuminated full-frame XMOR sensor, XD 1.0 megapixels of finely detailed resolution, paired with Sony's latest Bionz XR image processor and a dedicated AI processing unit. It delivers dynamic range, low noise, and clarity that rivals larger full-frame mirrorless cameras. But many compact cameras compromise on lens quality, not here. The RX1R III retains the legendary ZEISS Sonner T35mm f2 lens, optimized with micron-level precision to align perfectly with the sensor. That means edge-to-edge sharpness, rich contrast, and organic rendering, the kind of image quality you expect from far larger, far heavier systems. And the autofocus. This is where RX1R III turns heads. Sony built an AI-based real-time recognition, not just eyes, but bodies, heads, even animals, vehicles, and more. The AF tracks reliably, even if subject's face is turned away, obscured, or partially hidden, for stills and video alike. No more missing spontaneous moments because your system wasn't fast enough. For photographers who love discretion, think street, reportage, travel, RX1R III is compelling. It weighs roughly 500 grams, far lighter and more pocketable than a full mirrorless with interchangeable lenses. It means you can walk through city streets, events, candid moments, blend in, instead of announcing, "I'm a photographer." Later, when you review your shots, you'll be stunned by the quality. Full-frame richness, depth, detail, and none of the bulk. There's more. The camera isn't just stagnating as a stills-only relic. You get 4K video, 30 FPS, a solid EVF for framing. A single fixed 35mm focal length that is deceptively versatile thanks to step crop shooting digital modes simulating 35mm, 50mm, and 70mm equivalents. And it even offers a macro focusing down to 20 centimeters for close-ups. But yes, there are trade-offs. The screen on the back is fixed, not tilting. For low-angle street shots or creative overheads, that limitation becomes obvious. Battery life is modest, around 300 shots per charge, 270 with EVF. And for a camera this expensive, at about $5,099 USD, some might expect more flexibility. Interchangeable lenses, stabilization, or video features like flip screens. Which brings us to the big question. Who is the RX1R III for? Definitely not beginners, and probably not those who crave versatility above all. This is a camera for connoisseurs, photographers who understand the value of a great fixed lens of traveling. Light, capturing life in the moment without the photographer burden. It is a camera for street shooters, travel storytellers, fine art photographers, documentarians, anyone who wants a full frame. Premium quality results in a compact, discreet package. And for those users, RX1R III becomes more than just another camera. It becomes a companion, creative tool that invites spontaneity. A minimal kit carrying maximum power. But before you rush to pre-order, weigh the pros and cons. Ask yourself, do I need a lens swap system? Do I shoot a lot of video or varied focal lengths? Or am I chasing purity, a single lens, one vision, and full-frame detail wherever I point? Because if you answer yes to the second, the RX1R III may just be Sony's most beautiful, most refined compact camera ever. So what do you think? Is the RX1R III worth the steep price just to give up? Flexibility? Or is it the ultimate carry anywhere, shoot anytime full frame camera? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe to Tap Tech for more deep dives, and hit the bell. You don't want to miss our upcoming real-world shooting tests. With this beauty, thanks for watching, and as always, keep shooting, keep creating.